So this will be the second question that we are going to discuss on vectors. So the second question, it's something like this. The question, according to the question, two forces of magnitude 30 Newton and 40 Newton are inclined at an angle of 60 degrees. Okay, at an angle of 60 degrees. Find the resultant. Okay, so this is the question. It is very simple and straightforward. All we have to do is to identify the formula of the resultant and put the values. Okay, so here the important datas which are given is that it has been mentioned that we have two forces. Let's denote them as P and Q, 30 Newton, oriented at an angle of 60 degrees with respect to each other. Okay, Q vector. Okay, so this is 60 degrees. Now when it says to find the resultant, it means we have to find both the magnitude and direction of the resultant, both the parameters. So the resultant vector, it will be something like this, R vector, and it will have a particular angle alpha with respect to this x-axis. Okay, so the formula of the magnitude of the resultant vector is this. The magnitude is p square plus q square plus 2 pq cos theta root over. Okay, so this is the formula. Now we just have to put the values. P is equal to 30, Q is equal to 40, theta is equal to 60 degree. Okay, theta is equal to 60 degree. All we have to do is put the values here and we'll get the result. So it will be 30 square plus 40 square plus 2, 30 to 40 to cos 60 degrees. So it will be 900 plus 1600 plus this is 2 into 1200, cos 60 degrees 1 by 2. So 2 will get cancelled. So it will be 900 plus 1600 is 2500 plus 1200, which is equal to 3700. So which is root over of 3700 or 3700. So let us just calculate how much this is. Root over of 3700 is 60.83 Newton. Okay, so this is the magnitude of the resultant. Okay, so now we have to calculate the direction, this angle alpha. Okay, So we have already calculated the magnitude of the resultant, which is 60.83 Newton. Now we have to find the direction in terms of this angle alpha, which the resultant makes with the x-axis or the horizontal axis. So there is also a formula for this, which is tan alpha is equal to q sin theta by p plus q cos theta. So I have already derived the expressions for these formulas, this direction of this resultant vector and the magnitude of the resultant, which I have posted in the previous videos related to vector, the concepts of vectors, scalars and vectors. So you please check out those videos so that you have a good understanding of where these formulas came from. Now I am not going into the detailed derivation, I am directly using the formula. I have already derived these formulas, okay. So you please watch those videos first and then you come to these videos, okay. So tan alpha is q sin theta by p plus q cos theta, okay. Q is equal to 40. So 40 sin theta is 60 degree, 40 into sin 60 degree by P is 30 plus Q 40 cos 60 degree. So it is sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. So it is equal to 40 into root 3 by 2 divided by 30 plus cos 60 degree is 1 by 2, so 40 to 1 by 2. Okay, so you can calculate this and the result will be, let me calculate using the calculator, 40 into root 3 by 2 by 30 plus by 2 and tan alpha is coming 0.69, okay. Tan alpha is 0.69, so alpha will be tan inverse of 0.69. again we have to use calculator, so tan inverse of 0.69, let me calculate this, coming tan inverse of 0.69 is 34.6 degrees, okay. So this alpha, it is coming 34.6 degrees, okay. This, so alpha, our magnitude is 60.83 Newton and alpha, the direction, is equal to 34.6 degrees, okay. So this is the first part of this question, okay. Now here comes the second part of the question. Now according to the question, the second part, it says that if the same two forces, that is 30 Newton and 40 Newton, they are at right angles, so this becomes 90 degree theta. If they are at 90 degrees, what will be the magnitude and direction of the resultant? So again we have to use the same formula, that is R vector magnitude is p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta root over. So here we will directly write it, 30 square p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta, which is cos 90 degree. So basically the question becomes like this, okay. It is 30 Newton, Q vector is 40 Newton, right angles. So now here cos 90 is 0, so this term will become 0. This will be root over of 900 plus 1600, which is equal to root over of 2500, which is equal to 50 Newton. Okay, so this is the magnitude of the resultant. Now the direction, we know the formula, tan alpha is equal to q sin theta by p plus q cos theta. So according to that, it would be q 40 sin 90 degree by 30 plus q, means q is 40 cos 90 degree. So again this will be 0 because cos 90 degree is 0, sin 90 degree is equal to 1. So it is basically 40 by 30, which is equal to 4 by 3. Tan alpha is equal to 4 by 3, which is equal to around 1.33. So alpha will be tan inverse of 1.33, which is equal to let me calculate. It is tan inverse of 1.33 is around 53.06 degrees. Okay, 53.06 degrees. So here this is the magnitude of the resultant and this is the angle of the resultant. Okay, so the two parts of the question.